Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Grammy-nominated reggae artist Protoje will be a special guest on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon. His performance is in support of his Grammy-nominated album, Third Time's the Charm. He took to his Instagram where he shared the news with his fans, adding, bringing the hills of Irish Town to Jimmy Fallon in New York City to start the new year. Now, Protoje will be performing for the second time on the show. The reggae artist made his first appearance on the show back in 2019 after earning a Grammy nomination for his album A Matter of Time. Rolling Stone also recently chose Third Time's the Charm as one of the top 100 albums of the year in all genres. Plus, it added his single Late at Night featuring Mila Ike in the top 100 songs released this year. Third Time's the Charm is part of a trilogy of time-related albums, the first two being the Grammy-nominated A Matter of Time and In Search of Lost Time. Justin Bieber goes off on US clothing brand H&M. The superstar took to his Instagram stories on Monday to call out the fast fashion retailer for allegedly selling a merchandise collection featuring his name and likeness without his approval. In a post, Bieber added that, quote, "I didn't approve any of the merch collection that they put up on H&M, all without my permission and approval," adding that, "I wouldn't buy if I were you," end quote. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.